Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Star Group, and let me tell you, it's not exactly a galaxy of exciting news. It's more like a small asteroid purchase. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Before we get started, if you like getting straight to the point with corporate documents, subscribe and hit the like button. Also, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. Alright, the headline here is that on May 30, 2025, Star Group, which is a company focused on home energy like heating oil and propane, made a deal to buy some of its own units, kind of like shares from a company called Bandera Master Fund. To be exact, Star Group bought 0.7 million common units from Bandera for about $8.4 million. Now, this wasn't part of some big plan buyback program. They just decided to do it on the side. Bandera Partners, the investment manager for the seller, held over 3.4 million units back in March of 2025. So they sold off a chunk of their holdings to Star Group. And that's pretty much the whole story as laid out in this report. So let's break this down. Why would a company buy back its own units? Usually it's a sign that the company thinks its units are undervalued, meaning they think the price is lower than what they're really worth. By buying them back, they reduce the number of a specific opportunity they saw or a specific need to buy those units. Now, who is Bandera and why were they selling? Well, Bandera Partners is an investment manager, so they're in the business of buying and selling investments. They probably decided to sell those units to make a profit or to rebalance their portfolio, which means adjusting their investments to fit their overall strategy. It doesn't necessarily mean they think Star Group is a bad investment. It could just be a strategic move on their part. What does this all mean for Star Group? Honestly, on the surface, it's not earth-shattering news. It's a relatively small transaction, and it doesn't give us a ton of insight into the company's overall performance or strategy. It might suggest that management is confident in the future, but it's not a guarantee of anything. Let's shift gears to what wasn't mentioned in the report. We don't know why Star Group chose to buy from Bandera specifically. Was it just a good price? Did Bandera approach them? These details would give us a better picture of the dynamics behind the deal. Also, we don't have any financial numbers in this report, so we don't have much to go on. Time for my take on Star Group. Honestly, this report doesn't give us a lot to chew on. It's a small transaction that doesn't really move the needle. To really understand what's going on with Star Group, we'd need to dig into their financial statements, look at their overall strategy, and compare them to their competitors. Without that information, it's hard to form a strong opinion. If Star Group wants to impress investors, they need to show us more than just a small unit purchase. We need to see solid financial performance, a clear strategy for growth, and a plan for dealing with the challenges of the energy market. This report is a start, but it's definitely not the whole story. Alright, that's our quick breakdown of Star Group's latest report. What do you think of this unit purchase? Is it a sign of good things to come, or just a minor blip on the radar? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. And don't forget to join our Discord community in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.